good shot of a train. It feels weird standing right next to the 6-Eleven. Oh, it's coming straight at us. Back up a little, because I'm not sure what... I think it's on the middle track. Oh yeah, that thing is right at us. That thing's coming right at us. Oh, high rail. Alex. Quick picture. Oh, it's under that bridge. It's under the bridge. And now it's out. And now it's coming straight at us. Oh, I'm totally backing up. This thing's close. Oh, it's going slow. I'm just gonna back up a lot. Back up. There, that's good. It's just coming straight at us. Oh, it's carrying a Union Pacific. I don't know what locomotive. Oh, it blew its bell.